Today, I'll walk you through how to connect an Excel file with Power BI Desktop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to import your Excel data into Power BI so you can create insightful visualizations and reports. Let's dive right in. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you have Power BI open, navigate to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Get Data. Click on that. This is your gateway to importing various data sources, including Excel. Next, from the list of available data sources, choose Excel Workbook. This option allows you to connect directly to your Excel files and pull in the data you need. Now, a window will pop up prompting you to select the Excel workbook you want to add to Power BI. Browse through your files, select the desired workbook, and then click Next. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your data import. After clicking Next, a preview will appear showing you the data organized by tabs. This is similar to flipping through the pages of a book to find the information you need. Take a moment to review the data and ensure everything looks correct. Now click on the tabs that you want to import. You can see a preview of the data for each tab you select. Once you've made your selections, click Load. This action will bring your chosen data into Power BI, ready for analysis and visualization. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Excel file with Power BI Desktop. Now you can start creating powerful reports and dashboards that can transform your data into actionable insights. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.